Welcome to the Learning Enhancement Academic Portal. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of manually adding students to a course using a teacher account. Begin by logging in to your teacher account. Navigate to the course you want to add students to. Once you are in the course, click on Participants. Within the Participants page, locate the Enrolled Users header. Find the Enroll Students button just within this header and click it. In the Select Users method, type the name of the student who is registered in the system. Select the student's name from the list that appears. Click the Enroll button. That's it. You have successfully enrolled the student in the course. To confirm, you can double-check the enrolled students list to ensure the student has been added. If you encounter any issues, please contact our support team for assistance. Thank you for using the Learning Enhancement Academic Portal. We're here to support your teaching and learning experience.